Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. So today we're going to do pigeon peas. We're going to do pigeon peas my way. The way how I do it, I like to call it coconut pimento pigeon peas. I like to start with sauteing my ingredients first. Sauteing the peppers, the pumpkin, the carrots, the celeries, and bringing out those flavors out of them before I add my pigeon peas, coconut milk, bay leaf, and water. Alright, so you're going to start with the butter. Garlic. Pumpkin. Carrots. And stir. You're going to cover it for it to sweat a little bit, and then add the pigeon peas, coconut milk. Right, now that our pumpkin and carrots was allowed to sweat a little bit, we're going to add the pigeon peas, celery, our coconut milk, bay leaf, and of course our habanero pepper. Mix. Add our water, just enough to reach up to the pigeon peas. Salt and black pepper. We're going to stir and allow it to cook for 50 minutes and then we'll come back to it. Right, so now we're going to come back to check. Right, what we're looking for is for the pumpkin to soften up, the pumpkin and carrots, and for the peas to be soft. You want a nice soft carrots and pumpkin and peas, and when the peas also get cooked, you kind of want to press the peas against the pot. That helps release the starch from the pigeon peas and also thicken the sauce of the pigeon peas. So we're going to leave it to cook for a further 15 minutes and then we can switch out.